Welcome to today's Tech News segment. In this update, we delve into one of the most highly anticipated advancements in the world of XR, mixed reality, technology, the Apple Vision Pro. This cutting-edge headset has generated significant buzz and excitement among tech enthusiasts, industry professionals, and consumers alike. Designed by Apple, a company renowned for its innovation and meticulous attention to detail, the Vision Pro promises to redefine the way we perceive and interact with digital content. Introducing the Apple Vision Pro, an eagerly awaited XR headset that has generated significant excitement in the tech world. Designed by Apple, known for its innovation and attention to detail, the Vision Pro aims to redefine our experience with digital content. With 5,000 filed patents and a talented team behind it, this device promises to push the boundaries of XR technology. Boasting a 24 million pixel display, comfortable design, and seamless user experience, the Vision Pro addresses motion sickness and isolation concerns. Its advanced eye tracking and gesture control capabilities, along with a pass-through mode for real-time views, provide intuitive interactions and enhance user comfort. With legible text and captivating 3D movie experiences, Apple aims to revolutionize spatial computing. As the Vision Pro undergoes further development, anticipation builds for its potential impact on the XR community. At its core, the Vision Pro boasts a combination of groundbreaking hardware and innovative design features that set it apart from its predecessors. With a remarkable display comprising 2 panels and a total of 24 million pixels, the headset offers users an unprecedented level of visual fidelity. The optics have been meticulously refined, while the headband design emphasizes comfort and adjustability. Every aspect of the device, from the power connector to the light shroud options, reflects Apple's commitment to delivering a seamless user experience. Addressing common challenges faced by users of VR and AR headsets, Apple has focused on mitigating motion sickness and the feeling of isolation. The Vision Pro leverages its R1 chip, boasting a system-wide polling rate of 12 milliseconds to ensure smooth visuals without judder or frame drops. Let's dive into the details. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Overview of Apple Vision Pro. The Apple Vision Pro is a next-generation XR headset that showcases Apple's commitment to pushing the boundaries of technology. With over 5,000 patents and a vast pool of talent and resources, Apple has crafted a device that exhibits their ambition and engineering prowess. Although still in development, the Vision Pro has already impressed industry experts with its remarkable capabilities. Hardware and design. The Apple Vision Pro sets a new standard in XR headset hardware and design. Boasting an impressive 24 million pixel display, it offers unparalleled visual clarity and detail. The headset features a comfortable headband that can be quickly adjusted to fit different users, along with a top strap for weight relief during extended use. Apple's meticulous engineering is evident in every aspect, from the innovative power connector with internal pin-type power linkages to the magnetic solution for optical adjustments. The device also incorporates high-resolution cameras dedicated to tracking hand gestures, allowing for natural interactions anywhere around the headset. Additionally, the Vision Pro's pass-through mode provides a real-time 4K view of the user's surroundings, alleviating the discomfort of isolation often associated with extended XR sessions. With its thoughtful hardware design and attention to user comfort, the Apple Vision Pro aims to deliver an exceptional XR experience. Mitigating common challenges. The Apple Vision Pro addresses common challenges encountered in XR headsets, ensuring a seamless and comfortable user experience. One major concern is motion sickness caused by latency. Apple tackles this by incorporating the R1 chip, which boasts a system-wide polling rate of 12 milliseconds, resulting in smooth and judder-free visuals. The device also employs a slight motion blur effect in pass-through mode, reducing distractions while maintaining clarity. Another challenge is the feeling of isolation during extended use. Apple's pass-through feature provides a real-time 4K view of the user's surroundings, eliminating discomfort and increasing the likelihood of longer usage times. Moreover, the Vision Pro's eye tracking and gesture control technology offer near-perfect accuracy, allowing for intuitive and effortless interactions. The headset's exceptional resolution ensures that text is crisp and readable, overcoming a common limitation in virtual desktop setups. By mitigating these challenges, Apple Vision Pro aims to deliver an immersive and comfortable XR experience. Revolutionary features. The Apple Vision Pro introduces several groundbreaking features that set it apart from existing headsets. Eye tracking and gesture control. The Apple Vision Pro takes user interaction to the next level with its near-perfect eye tracking and gesture control capabilities. The device's advanced technology allows for seamless hand gesture recognition from any position, enabling users to effortlessly interact with virtual content. Moreover, the eye tracking system ensures precise tracking of eye movements, resulting in accurate highlighting of objects and a natural, intuitive way to navigate the user interface. Pass-through technology. One of the standout features of the Vision Pro is its pass-through mode, which utilizes high-resolution cameras to provide users with a real-time 4K view of the surrounding environment. This innovative technology eliminates the feeling of isolation that can often accompany prolonged use of VR or AR headsets. Users can maintain awareness of their surroundings and interact with both the virtual and real worlds seamlessly. The headset's breakthrough mechanism further enhances this experience by automatically passing through people who approach the user, notifying them of their presence and providing a context cue through the external eyes on the device. Crisp and readable display. The Vision Pro's high-resolution display offers exceptional visual clarity, ensuring that text is crisp and legible. Unlike previous iterations of virtual desktop setups, where text often appeared blurry and caused discomfort, Apple's XR headset delivers a superior reading experience. Users can comfortably read fine text at various sizes and distances within their virtual space, making it a viable computing device for tasks that require clear, readable text. Immersive Experiences. The initial impressions of the Apple Vision Pro highlight its ability to deliver truly immersive experiences. From the highly detailed visuals to the snappy interface responsiveness, the device exhibits Apple's attention to detail. The headset's digital avatar creation, powered by facial scans, showcases Apple's ability to accurately capture and animate facial expressions. Users can expect a wide range of applications, including impressive 3D movie experiences and seamless setup processes that align with Apple's user-friendly approach. While it is too early to make sweeping claims about the future of spatial computing, the Apple Vision Pro has already established itself as a remarkable XR headset. With its exceptional hardware, innovative features, and Apple's relentless pursuit of excellence, the Vision Pro has the potential to shape the future of XR technology. As we eagerly await its official release, we can anticipate the impact it will have on the development community and the public's reaction to this groundbreaking device. And that concludes our overview of the Apple Vision Pro. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates on this exciting development in the world of XR technology.